Are you looking for the best camping gear without spending a lot? You're in the right place. Today we're sharing 15 budget camping gadgets under $30 that actually work. Whether you enjoy car camping, backpacking, or overlanding, these camping essentials are great for beginners and experienced campers. From must-have camping gear to clever low-cost outdoor finds, we tested everything on Amazon so you don't waste your money. These affordable items prove you don't need pricey gear to enjoy the outdoors. Let's get into the camping gear that will upgrade your next trip. When night falls on your outdoor adventure, reliable lighting becomes your best companion. The CHEE MONG camping lantern is a 4-in-1 multifunctional light that serves as a camping lantern, flashlight, SOS red strobe, and 10,000 mAh power bank. Perfect for hiking, fishing, or emergency use. Its 360-degree expandable LED panels deliver bright, wide-area illumination, while 4 adjustable light modes let you customize brightness for any situation. Built with a large capacity battery for up to 180 hours of use and waterproof durability, this rechargeable camping lantern ensures you stay safe, powered, and well lit through every camping night or outdoor adventure. When adventure calls, reliable power keeps everything running smoothly, even off the grid. Meet the EASYLONGER battery backup power supply, a 297.6 watt-hour high-capacity portable power station designed for camping, travel, and emergency use. It can power your CPAP for up to 2 nights, charge phones, laptops, car refrigerators, drones, and more through its 7 ports and 10-watt wireless charger. Built with LifePO4 safety cells for long-lasting stability, it offers 3,000+ charge cycles and protection against overcharge or short circuit. With 3 recharge options, this versatile power supply ensures you stay powered, connected, and worry-free during every camping trip or power outage. Set up camp in seconds and dive straight into adventure without the hassle. The DMH Outdoors Instant Tent brings comfort, convenience, and versatility to your family camping trips. With its 60-second quick setup hub design, this 6-person pop-up tent unfolds effortlessly, letting you enjoy nature faster. It's a 2-in-1 camping and screen tent. Use the Rainfly for weatherproof protection, or open it up for ventilated, bug-free relaxation. The extended porch space creates a cozy outdoor retreat, while the spacious interior and smart storage pockets ensure everyone remains comfortable and organized. Perfect for family camping, picnics, and backyard adventures. After a long day of outdoor adventure, nothing beats a comfortable night's rest under the stars. The MARCHWAY camping cot bed ensures just that, with its lever lock, easy setup, and heavy-duty aluminum frame supporting up to 330 pounds. Built with tear-resistant nylon fabric and anti-skid feet, it stays steady even on uneven terrain. The ultralight and compact design packs easily into a small carry bag, perfect for hiking, motorcycling, or hunting trips. Its 8-inch height keeps you off the cold ground, while the taut, quiet fabric ensures peaceful sleep. Ideal for camping, travel, or guest use, this cot redefines portable comfort. Nothing brings people together outdoors like the smell of a hot meal after a long day of adventure. The SHINESTAR portable camping stove makes outdoor cooking effortless with its 17,000 BTU dual burners, offering precise flame control for boiling, frying, or simmering. Built from durable stainless steel and aluminum, it's easy to clean with detachable grates and features a safe 2-step manual ignition. No lighter needed. This foldable camp stove includes a propane hose, 2 burners, and a carrying bag for quick setup anywhere. Perfect for camping, RV trips, tailgating, or emergencies, it's a true camping essential for outdoor cooking freedom. Adventure is best captured through the perfect shot, but protecting your gear is just as important. The MOSISO Outdoor Camera Backpack is a waterproof hardshell DSLR/SLR/mirrorless photography bag designed for photographers who explore beyond the city. Its full-open design provides easy access to cameras, lenses, and accessories, while the foam-padded interior protects against shocks and drops. Featuring a tripod holder, a laptop compartment 15 to 16 inches, and an anti-theft pocket, it keeps everything organized and secure. The adjustable padded straps and trolley belt make travel effortless. Ideal for Canon, Nikon, or Sony users, this backpack is perfect for camping, hiking, travel, and photography adventures. Every great camping trip deserves an easy and eco-friendly way to enjoy meals outdoors. The GTYOPR Collapsible Bowl Set is a 12-piece portable food-grade camping tableware set designed for families and adventurers on the go. Made from BPA-free PP material, these collapsible bowls and plates are safe, healthy, and durable. Their space-saving design folds flat to fit neatly into backpacks or drawers, perfect for camping, picnics, or beach outings. Lightweight yet sturdy, they're ideal for serving salads, soups, pasta, and snacks. Easy to clean with a smooth surface, this plastic folding bowl set keeps outdoor dining convenient, organized, and sustainable. When adventure calls, having a reliable surface for your gear, food, or coffee makes every trip more enjoyable. Introducing the iClimb Mini Solo Folding Table, an ultralight, compact, and durable camping table designed for backpacking, hiking, beach trips, and picnics. Built from hollowed-out aluminum alloy with strong stainless steel legs, it offers lifelong durability and heat resistance for safe stove use. Its low, stable design prevents spills on uneven ground, while the polished tabletop edge keeps utensils secure. Folding down small into its carry bag, this portable camping table is perfect for cooking, relaxing, or organizing essentials on any outdoor adventure. Keep your memories safe no matter where your adventures take you. Meet the PROfezzion SD card holder case, a durable, water-resistant memory card organizer designed for photographers, campers, and travelers. Built with a sturdy polypropylene shell and molded rubber lining, it shields your SD and micro SD cards from dust, shock, dirt, and splashes. The snap-on locking system keeps cards secure yet easily accessible, while the molded eyelet allows quick attachment to your gear. With 12 slots, this compact portable SD card holder ensures your digital memories stay safe and organized wherever you roam. Cooking in the wild should be as enjoyable as the adventure itself. The CretFine CampPro cooking set is a lightweight stainless steel camping cookware set designed for outdoor explorers, RV travelers, and backyard campers. Weighing just 4.8 pounds, it's compact, portable, and easy to pack with foldable, detachable handles for space-saving convenience. Made from 304 stainless steel, this durable, eco-friendly cookware is free from PTFE, PFOA, and cadmium, ensuring safe, toxin-free meals. Featuring 3 pots, 1 non-stick skillet, and a carry bag. It's perfect for soups, stews, and campfire meals. Your ultimate camping pots and pans set for every outdoor cooking adventure. Changing out of your wetsuit shouldn't mean a messy car or sandy feet. Introducing the Sun Ninja Wetsuit Changing Mat, a waterproof beach mat and dry bag combo designed for surfers, swimmers, and beach adventurers. It protects your wetsuit from sand, dirt, and rough surfaces, extending its lifespan while keeping your car seats clean and dry. Simply stand, change, and cinch it into a dry bag for easy transport of wet gear. Lightweight and versatile, it's perfect for beach, surfing, diving, paddleboarding, or swimming trips, making it an essential beach and surfing accessory for stress-free outdoor fun. Keeping your tech safe and organized is essential on any trip. Introducing the EVERKI Laptop Backpack, a durable, travel-friendly business and office backpack perfect for men and women on the go. With a 32-liter capacity, it accommodates laptops up to 17.3 inches, tablets, chargers, and accessories, all neatly organized. Its adjustable felt-lined laptop compartment, padded straps, breathable mesh lumbar support, and 5-point balance system ensure comfort and security. The trolley strap makes airport travel effortless, while heavy-duty zippers and a bright interior keep items accessible. Ideal for college, business, or travel, it's a must-have computer bag for organized professional mobility. Staying hydrated is a must for every outdoor adventure. The Hanaoyo Camping Water Jug is a 5-gallon portable water container designed for hiking, camping, picnics, RV trips, and home use. It features a touch-control water pump with USB charging for effortless water dispensing, plus an adjustable spout faucet and leak-proof sealing lid for precise, mess-free use. Made from BPA-free, food-grade PE material, it keeps water safe and clean. The large 3.5-inch diameter opening allows easy filling and cleaning, Durable, reusable, and versatile, this water storage jug ensures reliable hydration and peace of mind wherever your adventures take you. When darkness falls, hands-free lighting becomes essential for every outdoor adventure. The EverBrite rechargeable headlamp delivers 700 lumens with 6 versatile modes, including white, red, and green light, perfect for hiking, hunting, running, and camping. Its 60-degree adjustable LED headlight allows precise illumination, while memory and stepless dimming customize brightness effortlessly. Rechargeable via Type-C USB with a built-in 1,200 mAh battery and power indicator, it's convenient and eco-friendly. The elastic headband ensures a secure, comfortable fit for all adults. Compact, durable, and multifunctional, this headlamp is ideal for outdoor adventures, stargazing, and nighttime navigation. When hunger strikes outdoors, a reliable cooking surface is a must for camp meals. The LAUDLIFE portable gas griddle offers a 342 square inches non-stick enameled cast iron surface with 2 powerful burners, delivering 20,000 BTUs for fast, even heating. Its collapsible stand allows tool-free setup in seconds, while heavy-duty wheels make it easy to move over grass, sand, or pavement. The slide-out grease tray ensures effortless cleanup, and the adjustable 2-height frame adapts to any surface. Perfect for camping, tailgating, outdoor cooking, and grilling for 4+ people, it's ideal for pancakes, steaks, and more. That's it. 15 budget camping gadgets that won't drain your wallet. These camping must-haves show that quality outdoor gear doesn't need to cost a fortune. Whether you've been camping for years or you're just starting out, these Amazon picks can make a real difference on your next backpacking or car camping trip. Which gadget will you try first? Share in the comments. If you want more camping and survival gear reviews, hit subscribe. We test the gear so you can explore with confidence. Check the description for links to all 30 products. Stay prepared, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.